Hi guys, I am Vaidehi and welcome to my channel Brown Life. Now this video is all about a collective makeup haul. As you all know, there was Pink Friday sale on Nykaa and Black Friday sale on Purple, and Cuffs and Lashes was having sale. So I thought I'll buy some products. I went crazy with my shopping and I thought I'll share all of the products that I got for myself. So I think without wasting any time, we should start with the video. Well, there are so many things in makeup which attracts me, like the eyeshadow palette, foundations, but there's nothing more attractive than lipstick. The first lipstick that I want to share with you is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is how the packaging of this lipstick looks like, and it's in the shade Mauve Ecstasy 15, and this lipstick is on my lips today. It's a pretty nude color for all the British and dusky beauties out there. Formula is really nice, smells really nice, and you get enough amount in this packaging. Next lipstick that I got for myself is this Blue Heaven Candid Lipstick, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like. This is really nice red color with a hint of orange in it, so I thought let's just give a try and buy a red lipstick. And I think this one smells like Borolene while applying on your lips, but once it's settled down on your lipstick, it's not going to smell like anything. Now the last lipstick that I got for myself is by the brand Inside. This is Inside's non-transfer liquid lip color, and this is how the outer packaging of this lipstick looks like. In fact, this packaging also looks really good. Now one thing that I was not expecting from this product was the pigmentation and the formula, because this one retails for only 75 rupees. So I thought let's just give this lipstick a try, because 75 rupees में आपको क्या ही मिल जाएगा. This was like thought in my mind, but once it came and once I swatched it on my hands, I was stunned with the formula and the pigmentation. Moving on to skincare, I bought this The Face Shop Korean skincare product, and this is how beautiful the packaging looks like. I got this for myself on MRP, yes, and this one retails for 800 and something like that, and for 800 rupees you will get 150 ml of product. And I must say, consistency, quality, smell, everything is really nice. This does not give me any breakout. Let me talk about makeup products that I got for myself. So I got foundations for myself, and this time I bought two foundations. One by the brand Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation. And next foundation that I got for myself is LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. Now I have this Maybelline one in the shade Golden, 312 Golden, and LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation in the shade Cafe. If you guys compare my skin color and this foundation side by side, you can actually see that this is still a shade darker than my original skin tone. This has that olive undertone which makes my skin look really pale, but this one by the brand Maybelline is really nice full coverage foundation. I have this on my face today. I applied it on my face. This has that beautiful formula, and this one smells really good as well, and packaging is really sleek. Now the next thing that I got for myself is this Stay Quirky Hide My Hickey concealer, and the name though, it's really like sexy name for this concealer. I'm in the shade the one in between 8, and this really matches me perfectly. I have applied this concealer. If you guys can see, my under eye looks really nice, and this is one of those concealer which I can compare with Maybelline's that stick concealer in the shade Caramel. This is exactly the same, and price point is really nice. This one retails for 200 and something, and on sale you will get this on discount as well. Now let's talk about compact, and I got this Eye Amsterdam SPF 50 compact. I have never seen any compact with SPF infused, like SPF 50 infused in it, and I was really intrigued by the all the information which was given about this product. So I got this in the shade Sweet Lady 6, but if you will see, this is not my shade. If you guys can see side by side, this is way too darker than my original skin tone. But after that I thought that let's just use this product as my contour. I have used this today to contour my face, and this has given me really nice contour as well. लेने को जाओ मिल जाएगा कुछ और. This happened with me, and I'm still really happy क्योंकि मुझे एक अच्छा सा contour product मिल गया. And now let's just talk about products which I got from Cuffs and Lashes. I shopped for around 2000 rupees from Cuffs and Lashes, and I was really excited to shop. Very first thing that I got for myself from Cuffs and Lashes is this SFR Pure Color Brusher, and it's in the shade Watermelon Red, and it is so damn pigmented. एक ही स्वाइप में मेरे दोनों cheeks पे मैंने आराम से blush apply कर लिया. If you guys can see, this has that really nice magnetic packaging for 125 rupees only. As you can see, they are giving you such nice pigmentation with the inbuilt mirror and magnetic packaging.
1500, so I thought let's just take a chance, let's just invest your money in really good eyeshadow
palette. And this is how the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's a Beauty Glaze Color Board eyeshadow palette, and if you will remove this, you will get this really nice palette which has all the green colors in it. And when you will do this, you will get this another palette which has all the reds and oranges and yellow. Again, when you will do this, you will find this blue colors, blue with purple, and some transition color which will help you in blending all the dark shades. And this palette which comes with purples and pinks, and I don't know. One thing that I really like about this palette, that this has all the packed glitter colors, which never in my life I thought I'm going to apply glitter on my eyelids. In fact, today also I'm applying glitter on my eyelids. I have used this palette to create this makeup look right here. I have used this silver glitter on my centers of my eyelids towards, and मैंने पूरा अपना eyelid को इस glitter से cover कर लिया है. Just swatch this glitter, packed glitter shades. Now if you guys can see my hand, this is the pigmentation of all the glitter shadows. One of the best investment that I made this year. I think 2020 में कुछ तो अच्छा मेरे साथ हुआ है. So I got this Cups and Lashes 20 something eyeshadow palette, and this is how the packaging of this product looks like. Okay, this one retails for 325 rupees, which is really exciting, and at the same time ये काफी सुंदर पैलेट है. नाउ तो खरीद लिया, लेकिन मेकअप अप्लाई करने के लिए हमने कुछ नहीं खरीदा है. ऐसा नहीं है, हमने मेकअप अप्लाई करने के लिए भी ये चीजें खरीदी है. नाउ दिस थिंग आई गॉट फ्रॉम purple.com, and this thing I got from Cups and Lashes, and also this blender from 20 something by Cups and Lashes again. Now this is Wet n Wild's flat top brush, and I use this today to blend my foundation. This one retails for 200 and something like that, 300 के नीचे ही है. And I think one foundation brush is enough for everything. You can definitely contour your face with this brush. You can apply blush with this brush. You can apply foundation with this brush. I think this is a versatile brush, or everybody should have this brush in their vanity. Next brush that I got is this concealer brush by Cups and Lashes, and it's in the number of this concealer brush is F012, and this fits in my dry, यहाँ पे अच्छे से फिट हो जाता है और कंसीलर को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ब्लेंड करता है. आई फिल्म दिस वीडियो yesterday as well, और वो कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यूज की वजह से मैं अपलोड नहीं कर पाई. एंड yesterday I used this brush. Everyone should have this blender as well. Now the last product that I got from Cups and Lashes are this Hilary Rhoda eyelashes, and these one retails for only 99 rupees. And I'll be really honest with you all. If you are someone who invests your money in pack eyelashes or Rene eyelashes, और आपको वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रहे हो, एट अ सर्टन टाइम आपको बार बार उसको खरीदना पड़ रहा है, या यू डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट योर मनी इन इतने महंगे आई लैशेज, एंड दीज आर द आई लैशेज यू शुड गो फॉर. मतलब आंखें बंद करके खरीद लो. मेरा ये 100% रिकमेंडेशन है. आई अप्लाइड दिस आई लैशेज कल भी और आज भी, एंड इफ यू विल टच देम, ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि नकली है या बहुत फ्लिमजी है या खराब हो जाएंगे. डेफिनेटली नॉट. दिस आई गॉट फॉर फ्री. मैंने ये ऑर्डर नहीं किया था, एंड आई डोंट नो, मुझे बिल में दिखा भी नहीं कि मुझे कुछ फ्री मिलने वाला है. एंड व्हेन इट केम आई वाज रियली शॉक्ड कि वाओ, मुझे एक लिपस्टिक फ्री मिली है. बट आई वाज रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड, क्योंकि ये लिपस्टिक ना एकदम मतलब मेरे स्किन टोन कलर के अक्रॉस ये उतना अच्छा नहीं है. दिस इज लाइक दैट बेबी पिंक कलर, एंड इसको यहाँ देख के समझ में आ जाता है कि ये मेरे ऊपर उतना अच्छे से सूट नहीं करेगा. Okay, I got this Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer. I have seen Shalini Mandal raving about this product once in her video, and तभी से मेरा बहुत मन था कि मैं ये खरीदूँ और मुझे ये फ्री मिल गया. I was disappointed क्योंकि इस पे जो शेड लिखा था वो था टॉप टॉम, तो मुझे लगा ये थोड़ा सा ब्राउन आएगा, बट I have applied it on my eyebrows today और ये काफ़ी सुंदर कलर है. And this was my haul for today. I got so many products for my myself, I know, and I think I shopped for around 4,500 this month, which is insane. This month, like in November, in fact मैंने नवंबर में करीब 10,000 की शॉपिंग कर ली, कंसिडरिंग माई वेडिंग ड्रेसेस, मेकअप एंड पापा जो दे रहे थे लेके मैं वो सब खरीद रही थी. आई नो आई एम सच अ बैड डॉटर इन दैट सेंस, बट इट्स ओके.
कभी कभी हो जाता है, that is like पापा है, मान लेंगे.
Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I really need that, and that just motivates me in different level. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I think I should stop blabbering, and I'll see you next time. Also make sure you share this video with your friends and family. Also if you haven't subscribed yet, तो देख के चले मत जाओ. Do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified every time I will upload a new video on my channel, and I'll see you next time.